Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to our channel Fashion Forward, where your footwear defines your style. Today we are stepping into the chic and glamorous world of stiletto heels and high-heeled sandals. Whether you are looking for that perfect pair for a special event or simply want to elevate your everyday look, we have got all the tips, trends, and inspiration you need. So let's dive in. Let's start with the stiletto heel, the epitome of sophistication and femininity. Known for its slamp and tall heel, the stiletto commands attention and gives you an instant boost of confidence. Stilettos are ideal for those who want to elongate their legs, making them appear longer and leaner. Available in a variety of heights from the modest 3 inches to sky-high 6-inch heels, there's a stiletto for every occasion. The beauty of stilettos lies in their versatility. You can opt for classic pointed toe stilettos, which are perfect for the office or formal events, or go for a daring peep toe stiletto, great for parties and nights out. There's also the stiletto pump, a timeless choice that blends comfort with style, offering just enough coverage while keeping your look sleek. When it comes to materials, the choices are endless. For a polished professional look, leather stilettos are your best friend. If you are feeling bold, patent stilettos with their glossy finish and that extra layer of drama for evening wear, you cannot go wrong with embellished stilettos, whether adorned with rhinestones, studs, or metallic accents. They are guaranteed to make you stand out. Pair your stilettos with anything from a little black dress to a tailored suit. The trick is to balance proportions. If you are wearing a flowy dress, let the heels be the focus. If you are in a sleek, structured outfit, stilettos will add the perfect finishing touch. Now let's switch gears and talk about high-heeled sandals, the perfect choice for warmer weather or more casual yet stylish occasions. With their open-toe designs, high-heeled sandals are ideal for showing off your pedicure while giving you that extra lift. From the delicate strappy sandals to more robust block-heeled designs, these shoes combine comfort with elegance. If you are looking for all-day wear, a black-heeled sandals is a must-have. The thinker heel offers more stability while still providing the chic height that high heels are known for. High heel sandals also come in a range of designs, for minimalist to extravagant. For a timeless look, natural tones like beige, black, or white will seamlessly complement any outfit. But if you want to make a statement, go for sandals with embellishments. Think metallic, backless, jeweled straps, or even vibrant colors like red or royal blue. Pair your strappy sandals with a flowy summer dress for a relaxed yet elegant elegant whip or step it up with embellished sandals for a special evening event. And do not be afraid to mix things up. High-heeled sandals can even added a touch of glam and your favorite pair of jeans, creating a look that's both casual and refined. Of course, you all know that with great heels come great responsibility. Comfort is key, and we have got some pro tips to help you rock your stilettos and sandals all day long. Start by choosing heels with cushioned insoles or added your own for extra comfort. Gel pads are also a lifesaver, providing support for the ball of your foot. And do not forget to break in your new heels by wearing them around the house before stepping out in them. When walking in high heels, always keep your posture straight with your shoulder back and head held high. Take smaller steps in maintain balance and let the heel hit the ground first, followed by the toe. Walking with confidence is the secret to pulling off any pair of heels. From sleek stilettos to chic high-heeled sandals, these shoes are more than just accessories. They are statement of style, confidence, and individuality. Whether you are dressing for a night out, a business meeting, or just looking to elevate your everyday wardrobe, the right pair of heels will take your look to the next level. Thank you for joining us in this fashion journey. If you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more style inspirations, tips, and trends. Stay tuned for more content on how to rock the latest in fashion footwear, and remember, every step you take is a chance to express your unique style. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for